Today, we're at Camilla Waterfall. And you're thinking, how the fuck am I here? I'm thinking, how the fuck am I here as well, blood? Look at that path right there. Like, I'm only seeing people walk on this, so if I see someone walk, look how steep. Can you even tell how steep that is? No regrets. No point of crying about yesterday. I can't even leave my phone there, you know, so it's not safe. If you look down there, you can see Camilla, town. Further on, you just see the sea. But yeah, we're going up here. Let's just see. Oh, what? This bike's a rental as well, man. I've got to give it back in a couple of days. That's how steep it is. I'm filming straight right now, yeah? Let's clutch into the back brake. It's the only way it can be said. Yeah? Let me just fucking slap this little cunt in neutral. Right. Left, tails. Heads. Right? I don't know, I'm a bit confused. Tails, bro. It's left, it is then. Oh! There's so many bumps and shit, so the phone just gets flipped. Proper narrow. Hot. People are out here. That's what I'm looking at right now. That's how we were just about fixing it. That's where I came from. Yeah, I'm fucking worried about getting back. It's downhill like that. Woo. Bamboo, couple chickens. Proper in the outback. I am literally in the middle of nowhere, man. Look at this. Wedging the phone and bike case. You went off fucking course. I'm thinking, do I turn back? I'm thinking I'm doing something special, yeah? Like no one's done this before, but then look, boom, there's another bike there, fucking hell. So I've got to hold on to the brake all the time, and it's just going to roll back. Hopefully that's alright. Yeah. On the right, it's just a fucking drop. That was a little jump. Come on. I just realised this is going up, up, up for a minute. You may get killed. That was some fucking downhill from here. You can't see here, if I fucking clip the edge, I go off road, completely like get off the path. Look at that. If you fucking go a bit more to the left, you're gone and back for there, because not giving me that much hope, lads. Oh shit. This could go left. Or this could go right. This could get loads of views. And a couple of likes. These are brand new tyres on the bike as well. So.